Welcome back to online study. All of you have seen computers of different types, and you know computers are very important for us. They are electronic devices that accept instructions, process them, and then give output. In this way, you come to know that there are three types of devices or three types of पार्ट्स ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर. कंप्यूटर के तीन तरह के पार्ट होते हैं. इनपुट जो कि इंस्ट्रक्शन को कंप्यूटर को देते हैं, प्रोसेसर और प्रोसेसिंग डिवाइसेस जो कि हमारे इंस्ट्रक्शन को प्रोसेस करते हैं, एंड देन आउटपुट जो कि हमारे इंस्ट्रक्शन को प्रोसेस के बाद में हमको रिजल्ट देते हैं. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू नो अबाउट द two types of devices today because they are very important to know at your level. In this picture you can see that there is system unit, output devices, input devices. As you see here, there is a printer, that is output device, mouse and keyboard, they are input devices, and there are some mass storage devices such as hard disk. And in this picture, can you see the devices? Yes, there is a monitor, CPU, mouse, keyboard, USB device, connecting cables and power cables. These are the essential parts of a computer without which a computer cannot work. Now in this picture, there are two circles. These circles have devices that are input, output, and some devices work as both. इस पिक्चर में आप देख रहे हैं दो सर्कल्स में डिवाइसेज हैं. आपके लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे इनपुट डिवाइसेज हैं, राइट हैंड साइड पर आउटपुट डिवाइसेज हैं, और बीच में जो डिवाइसेज हैं बोथ हैं जिन पर आप इनपुट और आउटपुट दोनों के काम कर सकते हैं. नाउ कैन यू नेम दीज डिवाइसेज सच एज विच आर इनपुट, विच आर आउटपुट एंड विच आर बोथ. दैट इज़ योर होमवर्क टू डू. नाउ इनपुट डिवाइसेज आर यूज्ड टू गिव इनपुट instructions to the computer. Output devices are used to get results of our instruction from the computer, and this way there are two types of devices basically, and third type is the devices which are used both. In this picture you can see the devices. Now what you have to do in your copy, you have to draw and write the names of the devices of their types, such as one list input, output, and then the devices that are used as both. Next video we will bring next chapter for you. Thank you.